The Hawaii Supreme Court held a special session today to honor the legacy of the late Chief Justice Ronald Moon. He passed away last month at the age of 81. Jeremy Lee was at the Supreme Court where the late Chief Justice was honored by family, friends, and elected officials. Jeremy.
Well, Marissa, Chief Justice Mark Rechtenwald characterized Justice Moon as having always held on to his roots in Wahiawa, yet taking up decisions in landmark cases regarding same-sex marriage and Native Hawaiian rights. All of this noted as the court held a special session in the late Chief Justice Ronald Moon's honor. Justice Moon was the first Korean American to become a Chief Justice of a U.S. state Supreme Court in 1993. 3 years after, he was also made an Associate Justice. A Republican, Moon was appointed by Democratic Governor John Waihee. He was on hand to speak to a crowd, including Governor Ige, Mayor Blangiardi, and Senator Hirono, of the former Chief Justice philosophy and devotion to fairness.
And it didn't matter who you were. If you came before his courts, you could expect to be treated equally and fairly. That's why I would appoint Ron Moon Chief Justice of this Supreme Court.
Many told tales of the appreciation Chief Justice Moon had for humor and a philosophy of telling at least one joke in a speech. Chief Justice Moon also worked towards making the court locations more accessible. Flags were flown at half-staff today by Governor Ige's order. Justice Moon retired in 2010. He was honored for 28 years of service on the bench, which spanned the Circuit Court to the Supreme Court. 17 of those years were as Chief Justice. Reporting live, Jeremy Lee, KITV4 Island News.